Well, happening today, the Taste of Chicago makes its long-awaited return to Grant Park.
Yeah, NBC5's Iisha Scott is already there live at the park with a preview. Hey, Iisha.
Hey, Patrick. Yeah, good morning, everybody. Listen, they are off to an awesome start this morning. People are already gearing up. There are several tents set up, and people are bringing in everything that you need to kick off the Taste of Chicago. Now, I want to talk about Summerdance because Summerdance is a huge part of Taste of Chicago this year. I have Nino here with me this morning. Can you tell me a little bit about Summerdance and why it's important to collaborate with Taste of Chicago this year?
Yeah, thanks. Nice to be here, Iisha. This is a wonderful, unique year because Summerdance and Taste of Chicago are two huge Chicago institutions. So having them together is going to be so much fun. We're teaching tomorrow, and just being here this morning, I'm already thinking, all right, we got to get here early or stay late because there's going to be so much to do. But Summerdance has been around for 26 years. I've been teaching for Summerdance since then, and it's a wonderful program for free lessons, free dancing, so people get a little taste of all these different types of dances. So it's kind of like a little sampling of the food, a little sampling of different dances. So this weekend's going to be fun. There's going to be lessons from 12 to 4. Then there's going to be lessons tomorrow from 11:30 to 4, and then Sunday from noon to 4 as well. So we have the Summerdance set up and ready to rock and dance.
Okay, so I have about 30 seconds, and you said you were going to show me something.
I think so. I think it's time to show you a little bit of salsa.
Let's try a little bit of salsa and see how I do. Okay,
so
are we ready?
Your basic step, you're going with the right foot. You're going to go back and place together.
Okay.
Forward and place together. Back with the right and place together. Forward, good. Back and place together. That's all right. Forward and place together. You got it. You got it. All right, I think we're ready for a turn, yes?
I think we're ready.
Turn. All right, I think we're ready for some music too. All right.
Can we? Okay, let's see.
So, let's do it again.
Okay.
2, 3. Very good. You got it. I think this is the earliest I've ever danced.
Me too. Oh, there we go. And then wait, is the term coming up?
There you go.
Look at that. Oh, I got this. What time is it? 5:15 in the morning. And I got this.
Very nice.
The next thing, Iisha, is you got to get your hips.
If you ever need a job, you can come to us.
He said if I ever need a job, I can just come work for Summerdance. There we go.
That's amazing.
So, you know what? I think I'm going to keep that in mind, Alicia. It's 5:15 in the morning, and I'm getting these dance moves down.
You got it.
I can't believe that.